These ones are criminals in the school. The senior one is calling himself Naira Marley. Bad influence on others. They were all taken from the bush. Madam Naira Marley, it's okay. You are trained to become somebody good in life, but see what you have done yourself with. They have been taken away by the Amotekuns. At least this will put sanity into the school. Junior classes, DS2, SS3. Unbelievable.